Throughout Western Christendom, artistic representations of the Virgin Mary and baby Jesus with dark skin, known as Black Madonnas, hold deep significance. These figures, often revered icons with Byzantine influences, date back to around the 13th and 14th centuries in Italy, with even older examples found in the Middle East, Caucasus, Egypt, and Ethiopia. Usually crafted from wood or stone and painted, many are associated with miracles and draw large numbers of devoted pilgrims. Europe alone has documented 400 to 500 Black Madonnas, with a significant concentration in southern France. These figures are among the most visited pilgrimage sites dedicated to the Virgin Mary. While Europe hosts a wealth of Black Madonnas, venerated figures like Our Lady of Guadalupe in Mexico reveal their significance extends to the Americas. Addressing misconceptions. Despite their significance, misconceptions persist. The dark skin of some Black Madonnas, like the Chartres Cathedral's Notre Dame de Pilier, is often falsely attributed to centuries of accumulated soot. This ignores historical evidence and disregards how such alterations erase their identities. Instances of icons being deliberately lightened, like Rome's Santa Maria del Popolo Church, further highlight this troubling trend. Connecting to ancient roots. The Black Madonna's origins reach far deeper than the cathedrals of medieval Europe. Scholars like Oleskovich Peralba trace her roots back to something primal, a profound connection to the divine feminine that has resonated across cultures and millennia. Throughout history, the Mother Goddess has been a central figure, embodying the very essence of creation. She exists as the vast, starry cosmos in the fertile, life-giving earth. This ancient archetype transcends any single culture. In ancient Rome, she was Ceres, goddess of agriculture, her touch ensuring bountiful harvests. In Anatolia, she was Cybele, the Great Mother, her fierce love protecting her followers. In India, she is Kali, embodying both the destructive and transformative power of time itself. And in Egypt, she was Isis, whose love healed and restored a broken world. These goddesses, while distinct in their individual mythologies, share a core iconography that echoes in the Black Madonna. They are often portrayed as regal figures, seated upon elaborate thrones, symbolizing their power and dominion over their realms. Their connection to the divine child, Ceres with her daughter Persephone, Cybele with Attis, Kali with Shiva, Isis with Horus, further emphasizes their role as life-givers, nurturers, and sources of unending love. This enduring archetype of the Mother Goddess speaks to a deep human need for connection to something both powerful and nurturing. It's a testament to the shared spiritual impulses that bind us across time and cultures, and reminds us of the profound ways in which the sacred feminine continues to be expressed in diverse religious traditions. The Isis connection. The cult of Isis in ancient Egypt offers a compelling link to the Black Madonna. Isis, a multifaceted deity representing nature, motherhood, and the supernatural, was deeply revered. Her cult, emphasizing peace, love, and justice, spread throughout the Mediterranean and beyond. It resonated with Egyptians during a turbulent period in the Late Period, offering a message of hope and renewal. The cult of Isis influenced later religious narratives, including elements within Christianity. Historians like Sharad Anis al-Asti note how its practices, symbols, and even figures like the priest Isa and his companion Mari prefigured similar aspects seen within Christianity. In ancient Egypt, the cult of Isis held immense sway. Isis, a multifaceted goddess representing nature, motherhood, and the promise of renewal, was revered throughout the Nile Valley and far beyond. Her story, entwined with that of her husband Osiris and their son Horus, spoke to the cycles of life, death, and rebirth, a concept central to Egyptian spirituality. But Isis was more than a symbol. Her cult, emphasizing peace, love, and justice, offered a sense of stability and hope to Egyptians of all walks of life. During the turbulent Late Period, marked by foreign invasions and internal strife, Isis became a beacon for those seeking solace and renewal. Her promise of a better world resonated deeply with a people longing for order amidst chaos. Historians like Sharad Anis al-Asti note fascinating parallels between the cult of Isis and later Christianity. Its rituals, like baptism and communal meals, its emphasis on confession and purification, and even stories of figures like the priest Isa and his companion Mari offer intriguing similarities. These parallels suggest the cult of Isis left a lasting legacy, its influence subtly woven into the fabric of emerging faiths. The Black Madonna, while a Christian figure, emerges from this complex religious landscape where old and new ideas mingled freely. The emphasis on her dark skin carries profound symbolism, harkening back to Isis's connection to the fertile earth, the source of life itself. The Black Madonna connects us to our very origins and the archetype of the nurturing, protective Earth Mother. The Black Madonna's power. The Black Madonna taps into a profound, ancient memory. She represents the archetypal Earth Mother, embodying love, nurture, protection, wisdom, and justice. Her blackness connects her with humanity's origins and symbolizes the fertile, life-giving earth. The devotion shown to these icons, especially the darker ones, reflects how this archetype remains resonant even today. A complex legacy. The Black Madonna stands as a testament to the complex intermingling of religious traditions. Christianity often built upon or repurposed existing pagan sites and symbols. The Romani community's veneration of Sarah-la-Calais in southern France provides a vibrant example of this. The Black Madonna reminds us that the roots of modern religions reach deep into the rich soil of the past. Her story challenges simple narratives, urging us to embrace nuance and appreciate how the sacred feminine has been revered across cultures and centuries. Our journey has taken us from grand cathedrals to the ruins of ancient temples, exploring the captivating figure of the Black Madonna. She is far more than a religious icon. She is a testament to humanity's enduring search for connection with the divine. Her roots stretch back to a time when the Mother Goddess was revered across the globe, a symbol of creation, nurture, and boundless love. In figures like Ceres, Cybele, Kali, and Isis, we see the archetype that resonates within the Black Madonna. The darkness of her skin is symbolic, connecting her to the fertile earth, the night sky, and the profound mystery of the cosmos. Her power lies in this connection to our very origins. Christianity may have given the Black Madonna her most familiar form, but her story transcends any single faith. The pilgrims drawn to her, particularly those seeking out the darkest icons, sense the ancient energy she embodies. Yet, her story is also one of misunderstanding. Attempts to explain away her blackness, or worse, to lighten her features, erase vital parts of her history and identity. The Black Madonna challenges us to confront these uncomfortable truths. She reminds us of the complex, intertwined roots of modern religions. Her story is intertwined with the cult of Isis, itself a precursor to many elements within Christianity. The Black Madonna stands as a bridge between past and present, between different faiths and worldviews. In a world often fractured by divisions, the Black Madonna offers a different vision. She speaks of a shared spiritual heritage, of universal truths that bind us together. Her enduring power lies in her embodiment of the divine feminine, a source of love, nurture, and fierce protection that resonates across centuries. Fades into outro music. Consider a reprise of the intro theme, but with added layers of instrumentation, symbolizing the rich tapestry of ideas explored in your documentary.